Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Apple Pie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to learn about rhyming words. Before this, in your English primer, you have learned about rhyming words. I hope you remember this concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to identify one-syllable words that rhyme and change the first sound of a word to make rhyming words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a beautiful hadith mentioned in Sunan Abi Dawud 4839. Hazrat Aisha raziyallahu ta'ala anha reported, the discourse of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was clear, such that he was understood by everyone who heard him. Yes, my dear children, but this beautiful hadith is telling us that our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to speak so clearly that everyone could understand. And better to speak clearly, we need to say each word clearly, and to say the words clearly, we need to pronounce each and every letter clearly, because just by changing one letter, the word may change. That's why we should learn the pronunciation of each and every letter, and then we should make words and we should speak clearly. One of the rules we are going to learn today. So, first you tell me, what are rhyming words? I have taught you about rhyming words. Do you remember? So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember that rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. So what are rhyming words? Which have same ending sound. If they sound the same or similar, they rhyme. For example, now look at these images and say the word cat, hat, cat, hat. And just by changing one letter, one sound, the word changes, right? You see, cat, hat, right? And their ending sound is similar. That's why what they are? They are rhyming words. Man, pan, man, pan, right? So when we say a word, we should say it clearly. Dish, fish, dish, fish. They sound same. That's why they are rhyming words, but their initial sounds are different. Their ending sounds are same. That's why they are rhyming words. Good. So let's practice these rhyming words through an activity. Your teacher will say a pair of words, only one syllable word. Teacher, kindly say only one syllable words. And student will thumbs up for rhyming words and thumbs down for non-rhyming words. So how we are going to execute this activity? For example, if your teacher says bought, got, so these two words, are they rhyming? Yes, then you have to thumbs up. Yes, these words are rhyming. And if they are not, you have to thumbs down. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You practiced many rhyming words, and now you can differentiate the words which do not rhyme. Okay, all right. So let's practice this concept from your book. What you are going to do, this question is on page number 42. List the pair of rhyming words given in the poem. First one has been done for you. So the poem which is given here, you have to list the rhyming words crunchy and munchy. It's already written here. So which other words rhyme? You have to find it and list it down in this exercise. Okay. So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write new words that rhyme. So I have given you a list of words. You will write words which rhyme with these words. Okay? And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you will do, you will read this word, this is cat, and you will circle the words which rhyme. Sat, bat. So you will keep doing this practice in this worksheet. So what we have learned today? We learned that rhyming words are words that have the same or similar ending sounds, and we also identified rhyming words, and we learned to change first sound of a word to make rhyming words. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to identify one-syllable rhyming words and change the first sound of a word to make rhyming words. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.